Good morning, students. Today we are discussing about the topic IUPAC nomenclature of some simple hydrocarbons. As we know that hydrocarbons are those molecules made up of carbon and hydrogen. Carbon and hydrogen consist single bond, double bond and triple bond to form hydrocarbons. In our previous class, we discussed the basic fundamental concepts of naming the hydrocarbons. Now, as we know earlier, if the hydrocarbon contains the carbon atoms of various types and various numbers, if any hydrocarbon contains only one carbon atoms, then it should be termed as meth C1. For two carbon atom, it will be eth. For carbon atom 3, the prefix is pro. But, pent. X for C6. Hept for C7. Oct for C8. Non for C9. Dec for C10. Undec for C11. Dodec for C12. So these are the prefixes are used for the number of carbon atom present in the hydrocarbons. Now we know that hydrocarbons are basically three types. They are saturated, unsaturated and aromatic. Today we are discussing about the nomenclature of hydrocarbons which are saturated and non-saturated. So let us consider a saturated hydrocarbon consists of 4 carbon atoms. Now, what is the structure of the carbon? What is the structure of the hydrocarbon which consists 4 carbon atoms? Let us consider a hydrocarbon consists of 4 carbon atoms joined with single bond, means it is saturated, and the other 3 bonds of the carbons are linked with hydrogen. So, what is the name of the molecule in terms of IUPAC rule? Now, look, here the number of carbon atom present is 4. So, the prefix should be but. For C4, the prefix should be but. And as we know earlier, the saturated hydrocarbons are end with ANE, N, ANE, the suffix N. So here the number of carbon atom is 4. That's why the prefix should be but. And this is saturated, so the suffix will be N. So but plus N. So this molecule named as butane, butane. Okay. So will you try at home what is the name of this molecule? Do it yourself in home. Okay. Let us consider an unsaturated hydrocarbon which consists four number of carbon atom and there are one single bonded carbon atom present. Double bonded carbon atom present. So the structure may be like C double bond C bond C bond C. Okay. So those molecules are, so what is the name of the molecule? What is the name of the molecule? For saturated and unsaturated carbon and hydrocarbons, we followed a rule. What is the rule? The rule is when we name the hydrocarbon, we should always take the maximum number of carbon atom present in a chain. Now, for unsaturated hydrocarbons, we need a rule. The rule is the substitution or the saturation is the least prioritized. That means there is the possibility of the naming should be start from this carbon or from that carbon. So for the rule we need that the substitution, the saturation, unsaturation must be least prioritized. So naming should be 1, 2, 3 and 4. This naming is wrong. Now let us discuss the name of this molecule. This molecule also contains 4 carbon atoms. So the prefix should be but, but this molecule contains a unsaturated double bond. As we know that if one molecule contains any double bond, it ended with ene, in. So but plus ene. So this molecule named as but ene, butene. Now if any hydrocarbon contains two or more unsaturated bond, then what should they are named? If any molecule contains one or more unsaturated bonds, then if we consider this molecule contains two double bonds. So what is the name of the molecule and what should we do for naming the molecule? As we know that there are 4 carbon atoms linked with each other with single bond and double bond. So the naming should be from this side or from this side. Now look at the molecule. From this side or this side, the molecule contains the double bond in the same position. So naming start with this side or this side are same. Now what is the name of the molecule? The molecule contains two double bonds. So in for one double bond, and this molecule contains two double bond means it is named as diene. So it contains four molecules. So C4 for but and diene. So this molecule named as butadiene. But there is a complication ahead. Here the position of the double bond should be mentioned. So this is the wrong method. The right method is but. The position should be mentioned. 1 and 3 carbon atoms are contains unsaturated double bonds. So but 1, 3 diene. This is the perfect name of the molecule according to the IUPAC rule. Now we consider a molecule this. Your homework should be this. What is the name of the molecule? In the next class, we will discuss about the another unsaturated hydrocarbon naming which are triple bonded. Thank you.